Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the tap step called the Bombershay. So the Bombershay is very similar to the paddle step. There's a slight difference to it. So the paddle step, you stay on your toe. You go stomp, brush step, and it lands on the toe, right? Stomp, brush, step. The Bombershay, you're going to land on your heel or your dig. So you're going to stomp out on your right. If you're traveling to the right, you're going to stomp on the right. You're going to, on purpose, pick up that toe, swivel it out. You're going to do a spank or a brush on your left here. And then you're going to put it back down into that heel. So it's a stomp, spank, and then a dig. And then again, stomp, spank, dig. And I ran out of space. These would continue moving you to the right. If you have a bigger space, if you don't have a big space like I do, then it won't move you very far. So again, you have stomp, spank, dig, stomp, spank, dig. And again, just like the paddle step, you're kind of dragging your left foot behind you. You don't want it to go right up back again to your right foot. You don't want it to go there. You want to leave it more out to the side. That way, as you shift your weight to stomp again, you can kind of fall into that stomp. That's kind of what we're looking for here. You kind of want to fall into that stomp again, okay? So if I were to do it a little bit faster, which will give me more space on my board, you would go here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Something like that. Okay, let's try a little bit faster here on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's just like the paddle step, same exact sounds, except now instead of doing a brush step on the toe, you're now doing spank, dig on the heel, that kind of thing. Okay, so same exact sound, same exact rhythm, just a different positioning of the foot. Okay, so let's go back on the left. So you're going to stomp now on your left if you're traveling to the left. Swivel that foot out, swivel the toe up, and then from here you're going to spank and then dig onto that heel. And then shifting weight just briefly to fall back into the left and get that stomp, spank, heel again. And again, stomp, spank, heel. Okay, and again, I ran out of board pretty quick. So again, stomp, swivel, spank, dig. Stomp, spank, dig. And again, like I said on the right side, as you stomp and as you do this spank, dig, you're not bringing it right next to your left foot. It's not here. You're leaving it out to be kind of dragged along behind the left. Okay, let's try a little bit faster here. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, dig, heel. Stomp, spank, heel. Sorry, I think I said stomp, dig, heel. I meant stomp, spank, heel. Let's give that another try a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time here with that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So these are called the Bombershay. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion, make sure you leave it down in the comments section below, and I'll try to get to that as soon as possible. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.